No, I wasn't fucking recording. What a complete spanner. Guys, I was just doing a video and I thought I'd press the fucking record button and I didn't. So, hello my good friends of YouTube. Here's a Scrapyard video again. And there's John Dragon, my best mate. Visit his channel, give him a sub, watch his videos, give him a thumbs up. He's a good lad.
Hey up everybody. Got a bit of a cold, so...
Yeah, so got to stay away from him. We've actually just done this, so it's like...
Yeah, it's a bit awkward, isn't it?
Yeah. Your beard's coming along, mate.
Is it?
Yeah, it's coming on. Are you going to be Santa this year for my kids?
I don't know, I might be grey by the end of the year.
Grey. Fucking hell, you got some grey in, haven't you?
Hey, I've got some grey hairs, yeah, I know.
Dude, you're only 32.
31.
Oh, 31, yeah, sorry.
I know, right?
Putting a year on you, mate, sorry.
I know, then years are another 20 grey hairs.
It's not very nice, is it, me putting a year on his age and he's already getting fucking grey in his beard. I mean, look, I have to dye my hair because I've got grey in mine and there's nothing worse than getting old. It's fucking horrible.
I don't mind having grey hair.
So what are you doing here then, John?
Just welded that skip up there, that big roll-on skip.
Oh, fucking hell, yeah, I can see where you've done some welding.
Most of it's just repair work, but this whole bottom one fell off. This bar wouldn't spin around enough to lock the door in place. The whole door was loose.
Was it?
When you opened it.
Shit.
And now it's solid, so it's good enough for a damn scrapyard, especially with the
Oh, yeah.
time running.
It's not like you're doing it for an actual job where you're getting...
Not very good welds, but like I say, I don't clean it back or anything, like it matters. It's a damn
Well, at the end of the day, mate, it's just been being chucked about. So as long as it, I mean, that's not bad here. I mean,
it's not bad at all. Like I
that's
say,
not
for
too
saying
bad.
I didn't clean any of this up or anything.
It's still warm and all.
Yeah, like I say, I've only just finished doing it. For saying I didn't clean any of this, I've actually done quite a good job of actually filling that
I
up.
think that's pretty good, John. It must be hard though to get a proper earth though, because it's all shitty and that.
It's all, yeah, well, this paint that's on this is actually really good stuff. It's I don't know what it is, but apparently this was the first
Coat.
Well, this was
Original
the first
paint.
roll-on, roll-off skip that this place bought.
Fucking hell.
So it's a bit old.
Fucking hell, John.
Yeah, I know, right?
Looks like it's fucking got a cold itself.
Yeah, I know. There's a pigeon shit there. Whatever, it's strong. It's on good.
It does the job.
Like I say, it's a damn scrapyard. The way I've been feeling this morning, I didn't really feel like doing a good job anyway.
Well,
He was trying to get me to go home, my boss.
who was?
My boss.
Was it really?
He says,
Bill?
come on, bugger off home. I'm like, nah, I want to be here.
Yeah, I don't blame
I
you,
may as
dude.
well get paid for feeling like shit rather than
Then sit at home feeling sorry for yourself. That's the worst. Right, John, I'll have a walk around and I'll catch you in a bit, dude.
Oh, yeah, all right, man.
So yeah, there was one of these guys that I stripped down. It was this one here. We needed to know the name, didn't we? And there's the front of it. So it would have been nice to actually have one of these that was working and power it up. Load of coffee machines there. Yeah. This one's had its inductors ripped off it. That would have been all shelving for batteries on that one. IGBT, big main IGBTs here and on the top of there. It's all been thrashed and ripped apart. Nice heatsink. Yeah, I got 3 heat sinks out of that UPS I had. I've kept one of them and scrapped 2 because I just need one. And I've kept another little one as well, which was a nice little heat sink. So yeah, some good stuff out of it. Jesus. Oh, that's the same as what I had. Same insides. It's been totaled. Some smaller ones. I wonder what they're like inside. This looks like the inverter's top of here, and then the rest of it looks like it's for batteries. Yeah, this is for batteries, and then this bit here is the inverter. That's had a short on it, that. There's a nice little inverter inside there. You can see each one individually comes off the sides. Right, I'll pause this and just quickly go and speak to Bill in a minute. So I'll speak to you in a minute, guys. Right, guys. bit of a chat with Bill there. Might be working on a Thursday and Friday here, so it'll give me something to do. But yeah, let's get back over here then. So there's some quite good. Look at the size of those, massive. I think they're air conditioning units, industrial size, but they're massive. Let's go and have a look round and see. You never know, John. I'll probably end up coming on a Monday or a Wednesday or whatever and helping you out one day.
That'd be interesting, yeah.
Wouldn't it, just? So let's have a look around. Jesus Christ, look at that. It's fucking. That fucking fan is mental. That would have sounded nice, speeding up. That must be a heater. Industrial heater. Portable. And aircon, probably. I don't know. That's a big bastard. Look at the fucking fuses on these. Holy shit. Let's have a look at one of the smaller ones. Am I zoomed in?